Hi Green Acres members, Tristan here from the Golf Centre. Today I'd like to share with you a sourdough recipe that I've been working on during this lockdown period. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so what you'll need is a large bowl, 250 grams of very active starter. You'll need 700 grams of wholemeal flour. You'll also need 525 grams of filtered water, or in this case I've used boiled water that I've let cool, and 20 grams of sea salt, plus a Dutch oven. Pour the starter into the water. Heaven holds a place for those who pray. Hey, 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 hey. We'd like to know. Grab your tablespoon of salt and sprinkle it evenly across the dough, a bit like my 7-iron dispersion. Then you simply pinch the salt in like you're giving a shoulder massage. From here, go straight into the stretch and fold. After the 2.5 hours, let it sit on the counter until it increases in size by 1/3. Cover it in a bag and put it in the fridge for overnight. Take it out in the morning and let it come to room temperature on the counter. Most of all, you got to hide it from the kids. Mrs. Robinson, Jesus loves you more than you will know. Whoa, whoa, whoa. God bless you, please, Mrs. Robinson. Heaven holds a place for those who pray. Hey, 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 hey. Sitting on a sofa. Let the dough balls rest for 30 minutes or so. Once rested, the dough balls should feel rather refreshed. Stretch them on the counter like this. If they get stuck, just free them up, stretch them out nice and flat, and then fold it into thirds. And then fold it over once again. Stretching the top fold over so it completely covers the dough. Pinch the seams together. Then gently place in a floured banneton basket or your bowl lined with a cloth that has also been lightly floured. Cover it with a bag and place it back in the fridge for 2 hours. Where have you gone? Show the magic of our nation turns slowly eyes to you. Woo, woo, woo. What's that you say? Flip the dough onto a piece of baking paper and deeply score the dough like this. Slap it into the Dutch oven, lightly place it into the Dutch oven, and cook for 30 minutes with the lid on. After 30 minutes, take it out of your Dutch oven and place it on a pizza stone or pizza tray without the baking paper and cook again for another 15 minutes until golden brown.
You are my obsession.
Yeah.
I dominate you.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that recipe today. Stay safe, and we'll see you on the other side of Lockdown 2.0.
You are my obsession. I dominate you.